How to be a rock star.
Negro status.
Just for the record, we are both Negro.
Word. Step 1. Super awesome nickname.
Usually containing core or XX.
You ready, Brownie?
You ready, my chocolate thunder?
Word.
Step 2. Play an instrument.
Make sure this is facing.
The right way.
Step 3. Be in a band. Band. You know,
Band.
Be a band.
Band.
Word.
BAND.
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 Band. Step 4. Write an awesome song. 1, 2, 3, 4. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Step 5. Dress accordingly.
Wear bandanas.
And a hat.
Bandanas.
Bananas.
Bandanas.
Okay.
Baba de baba de baba de ba.
Step 6. Headband. My neck cracked.
Headbang so awesome. Your glasses fly off. Step 7. Mosh. The term mosh means to jump and dance around like a 4-year-old having a tantrum. And that, my friends, is how to be a rock star.
Negro status.
Subscribe!
Word.
There will be more videos later.
Hopefully better.